Hello guys, welcome to SimTech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to send crypto or transfer crypto from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Binance account or your ByBit account. So without wasting my time, let me go to my Tonkeeper wallet to show you guys how you can transfer crypto from this platform, this Tonkeeper platform, to your Binance account or your ByBit. Okay, you know, Tonkeeper runs on the Ton blockchain, and if you want to receive money from your Tonkeeper, you need to use an address that operates on the Ton blockchain. Okay, so currently I have these two cryptos in my Tonkeeper wallet, and I'll be showing you guys how you can transfer these cryptos to your Binance account or your ByBit. And you can use this method to transfer any crypto, whether USDT, whether dogs, whether Notcoin or Toncoin, from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Binance. Okay, so let me first use my Binance to receive the money. So I'll go to my Binance account, then I'll click on the deposit. So first, let me transfer this dog crypto to my Binance. Okay, so to transfer this crypto, I have to first click on it. Then I click on send. Then I enter these two details. Okay, so I will go to my Binance account. Then I also click on this deposit. Then I search for dogs. Then I click on the Ton, because dogs runs on the Ton. This is Ton wallet. Okay, Tonkeeper wallet. So dogs runs on the Ton blockchain. So I'll click on this Ton coin. And they say, note, both memo and address are very important to receive the crypto. Okay, so I'll click on continue, and I'll copy this address. Then I'll paste the address here. Then I'll copy this memo. Okay, this is memo or tag or remarks or comments. I'll copy them. Okay, then I'll come back and paste it here. After that, I'll click on continue. Then I enter the amount of dogs I am sending to my Binance account. Then I click on continue. So I'm transferring money from my Tonkeeper to my Binance. Okay, I'm transferring money from my Tonkeeper to my Binance, and I'll pay a fee of $0.07 in Ton. Okay, so to do this transaction, you need to make sure you have enough Ton crypto to cover this transaction. Okay, so when you are done confirming every details here, then you click on the send. Okay, you click on this confirm and send to send to your Binance account. Okay, let me also show you guys how to do the same thing on your ByBit account. So first, you need to go to your ByBit account. Let me go to my ByBit account. Then you click on this deposit. You click on deposit, this deposit. Then you click on deposit crypto. So at this place, you search for the crypto you want to send from your Tonkeeper to your ByBit account. So let me send dogs. So I'll search for dogs, and I'll click on this dogs. Also, dog runs on the Ton network. So I'll click on the network, this Ton network. And as you know, the address and the memo are very important to receive your money. Okay, so to send money from your Tonkeeper to your ByBit account, you need to first copy this address. Okay, you copy this address. Then you go back to your Tonkeeper. Okay, then you click on the crypto you want to send. Okay, so I'll click on the docs. Then I click on send. Then I enter the address I copied here, this address. I'll enter it here, so I'll paste the address here. Then I come back and click on this to copy the tag, memo, comment, note, remarks, whatever. I'll copy this. Then I go back to my Tonkeeper and paste in the comment here. Then I click on continue. Then I enter the amount I want to send to my ByBit account. Then I click on continue. And I need to confirm all the transaction details before sending. Okay, so I need to confirm it from this wallet to the recipient ByBit, and this is my ByBit account on Ton, and the amount I'm sending and everything. So this is the process of sending from your Tonkeeper to your ByBit account. Okay, let me send it to my Binance account now. Okay, so let me go to my Binance account and use this same method to send to my Binance account. Okay, so first I'll click on the deposit, then I search for the docs, then I click on the Ton network. Okay, because the docs runs on the Ton network, so I'll copy this, then I come back to my Tonkeeper. Okay, then I click on the send, I paste in my address, then I come back to my Binance and copy the memo. Okay, then I paste in the memo here, then I click on continue, then I enter the amount I'm sending and click on continue. So let me confirm this transaction thing for you guys to know that I will receive the money in my Binance because I'm using my Binance. Okay, so I will confirm. Okay, I have confirmed the transaction. Okay, so the transaction is pending right now. Okay, so we need to wait for a few minutes to receive the money in our Binance account. Okay, so let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes to receive these docs in our Binance account. Okay, so I just got a notification right now. You can see the notification on my screen. Okay, so the docs is successful. Okay, the deposit on my Binance account is successful. I was sending 4,050 docs to my Binance account, and you can see it is successful. You can see the notification on my screen. Okay, the notification, let me go here. Okay, you can see the notification on my screen. 4,050 docs was deposited to my account successfully. Okay, so let me go to my Binance account, and you can see I have received the docs. Okay, I have received the docs successfully in my account. Okay, this is the transaction, 4,050 docs from my Tonkeeper account. You can see 4,050. Okay, so I use this method to send the money from my Tonkeeper to my Binance. Okay, so let me proceed on sending the rest of the money. Let me go to my Tonkeeper. Okay, let me send a ton also to my Binance account. So I'll click on this ton, then I click on send, then I go to my Binance account. Okay, then I click on the deposit, then I search for ton. Okay, I'll search for ton, then I'll click on the ton, then I choose the network. Okay, Ton runs on the Ton blockchain, so I'll choose the Ton coin network. Okay, and also both the memo and the address are very important. Okay, so I'll first copy my address, then I'll go back to my Tonkeeper, then I'll paste in my address here, then I'll come back and copy the memo or the tag or the remarks or whatever here. Okay, I'll copy this, then I'll come back and paste it here. Okay, I'll paste it here, then I click on continue, then I enter the amount I'm sending to my Binance account. Okay, then I click on continue, and I need to confirm the address. Okay, so I'll go to my Binance account and I'll check. Okay, my ton, this stands from the EQD5MX. Okay, so it's the same thing here, EQD5. Okay, so I'll click on confirm and send the ton from my Tonkeeper to my Binance account. Okay, so I'll click on confirm and send, and I have sent the ton from my Tonkeeper to my Binance account. Okay, so it's pending right now, and we need to wait for a few minutes to receive the money. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes to receive the money in our Binance account. And as you can see, I have received the ton. Okay, so 6.1, you can see the same thing here, 6.1665. okay, I have received the ton to my Binance. Okay, this is the ton 6.165. Okay, so this is the process of sending money or crypto from, okay, the deposit is successful now. Okay, you can see 6.165 is the same thing here. Okay, let me open my Binance account. Okay, so I'll click on my Ton and you can see the deposit. Okay, 6.1653 was sent from my Tonkeeper to my Binance account. Okay, you can use this same method to send from your Tonkeeper to your ByBit account or your OKX or any exchanger. Okay, also you can use this same method to send USDT from your Ton to your Binance accounts. Let's say if you have USDT in your account, okay, you have USDT in your Tonkeeper, you can use this same method to send the USDT from your Tonkeeper to your Binance account or your ByBit account. And also, if this video helped you to know how to transfer money from your Tonkeeper to your Binance or your ByBit account, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.